Yan, dito na sa kabila. Ay mga kalog, gagamit din yung anak ko ng public toilet na high-tech. Push the button. The green one, the green one.
Oh no!
Wait a minute.
Okay. Go on, take your time, take your time. That one, that one, that one. Oh, open the close. Good luck. You push that green one. Yeah. Alright, bye-bye. Hello, welcome to Wellington, New Zealand. Alright. Yun, welcome.
Wow!
Yeah.
Labas na tayo, dito na yung sundo natin mga kalog. Ito na yung sundo natin.
I know Brain,
Ayun.
Marvin Divine.
Wow.
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, and as commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so we can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
Gotta stay away from all your games, and I know that I'll
Something like
find somebody else so that we can stay the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Binibidyo mo, yun yan mga kalog. Bigyan tayo ng Wellington, New Zealand.
So now I gotta say goodbye.
Malog, team lang. Pero mga kalog, may tayo driver ha. Huwag kayong malilito, hindi ako driver. Sorry.
Lalo kapag ano,
Ito
groceries.
proud to present my driver.
What's up mga katatay?
my life is about to die, guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finding, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it. You so easily influenced. All the times you told me, Brandon, now you got it.
Gotta stay away from all your games, and I know that I found somebody else so the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Mount Vic.
Mount Vic, ayan. Mga kalog, pupunta tayo. Sisilay lang tayo sa Mount Vic, isang tourist spot dito sa Wellington, New Zealand. Ayan, let's go, let's go. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Baguio ba yan?
Eh, doon tayo sa taas.
Baguio oh.
Doon tayo sa taas.
Ah, wow, overlooking. Grabe.
Nakita tayo.
Nalilito talaga ako. Nakita tayo na.
Kasi kung naka-manual ka dito, paliwanag mo ito nga. Ay, naman. Hindi, yan sa mga isa. Kasi paano tayo pinagkakata. Ako mamaya magbulaga na ng gabi.
Oh no!
Negative. Let's go! Parang ano lang spiral. Ito na mga kalabas yan tayo. Sa itay. Pero wag ka magpiklik sana yun. Pamay ako, binidyo ko eh. Ano ko mamaya pag kumamaya ako sa latador eh. Ay, dinig pala dito. Nakabidyo. Ay, ito. Ay, mga manot sa pinaka ano niya. Pit. Ay, ilang kapag iakit mo, lapit lang. Ulo ngayon, ulo yan. Ito, pwede tuloy na rin tapos nasa right na. Saan? Victoria! Ano, wala tayo sa Pinas ha? Dito tayo sa New Zealand. Mamaya sabi nyo, pupunta na naman ako sa ano ha, sa bundok. Bundok sa ano, sa Rizal.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the gas list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella reckless, cashing on my checks, rich. The keys on my neck, shit. She's on the offensive, I do not know my set list. Still I'm gonna get lit, yeah I have a death wish. Live until I'm breathless, I'ma stay progressive. She gon' say obsessive, life is so expensive. Do everything excessive, I think my brain's defective. Yeah, can't think when she's aggressive. Yeah, she snuck into my section. Yeah, you think I learned my lesson. Yeah, we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Yeah, and we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah, no, we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah.
What is this?
She's sitting up in the front of the class, using that ass, she gonna pass. Keeping her pad in her pen in her lap. She been so bad with the men in her past. Now she just want the professor so bad. I'll give her lessons that she never had, like taking a freshman and teaching her math. I'll keep her guessing until she a grad. She always leaves them guessing, they don't know what's next, man. Learned it from the best, man. She loving every last hands-on sessions, points for attendance. She asks a lot of questions, I answer with my presence. I sit back while I'm texting, said she wants to get it in, said she'll bring her best friend. Know what happened next, man, I know what happened next, man. Treat her like a guest, man, rolling out the best, man. She had a confession, yeah. She wanna stay for a minute, she wanna play for a minute, she wanna stay for a minute, and now I'm all up in it. I'll be back in a minute, I'll be back in a minute, make a track in a minute, and now I'm all up in it. These girls don't even know like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep. Yeah. No, we ain't getting no sleep.
Canon! Oh, look! What is that?
Oh no!
You know? Ay, ang galing ng Canon. Gano'ng katagal ito? Legend na tong Canon na to. So, a big Canon, Canon ball. Alright. Woo! We are here. Ayan mga kalog, tanaw, overlooking. Ano na nga, doon nga. Ano to? Look, who's this? What is this? Dito? Alright! Let's go! Woo! Nawala yung... Ah, ganyan pala. Bakit na iba to? Woo! Bakit na iba to? May ibig sabihin to? Ah! Ay, ito pala, Mount Victoria Summit. Ah, mahalaga pala itong baka to. Okay, yan. Ganda yung pa. Ganda yung pa. Dali. Alright, welcome aboard Wellington, New Zealand. Woo! Ayan mga kalog. Ano to? Ano to? Ah, center?
Parang ano, city, town.
Ah, kala ko Doom, yung laruan ng ano.
Kay ano, parang sa atin, Araneta ko.
Ah. Grabe.
Saan tayo tayo? Doon kami, banda.
Saan tayo?
Marami
Doon?
sa dagat.
May yate pa oh. Ah, lamig.
Chasing the stars, open your eyes, watching afar, waiting to fly. This is the start. Hide and seek, reason.
Ayan mga kalog, yung inakyat namin oh. Ayan, Mount Victoria Matayrangi, namatay na si Rangi. Ayan. Blown away by Wellington today. Mount Victoria Matayrangi. Alright. Welcome aboard! Log TV! Adventure is on! Bye-bye muna mga kalogs! Let's go na sa bahay! Ginikinaw na ako! Bye-bye!
Bukas, ano oras tayo magkakila?
Mount Victoria marami.
Hindi ba lunch time?
Driving yun ah. Driving mo ano.
Driving, sorry.
County road, take me home to the place.
Detach.
up mga kalog? Nandito na tayo sa bahay ng aking pamangkin. Ayan, nandito na kami sa bahay nila.
Kahit mga bag nila dahil magstay sila one day.
Okay. Ayan, buhat-buhat na ito. Buhat-buhat. Ayan, welcome aboard. Dito tayo mga kalog sa bahay ng aking pamangkin. Ang aking... Ayan. Wow! Ang lamig ng hangin, no? Asan ang dagat? Ayun, doon sa kabila. Lamig.
Okay, ganda. Pagmusta.
Oh no!
Ang lamig. Hawakan mo. Ito ang video. Yan o, utok mo lang sa akin. Nag-hi siya.
Kinuha mo na yung bag ni Ivy na maroon. Eto, te.
Ayan, malog. Nandito tayo. Pahinga muna. Babay muna, bye-bye.